Have you ever seen this? Have you ever felt this? It's a feeling so unheard. And every time I hear your voice, like my feelings having no choice. And every time I hear your voice, I wish I could remember. When every time I